Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. Yes, last week my car was vandalized, but I got all the bits and pieces and now my car is fully fixed. Here's what I did to it. I got anti-theft valve caps for my wheels. I got a brand new hood emblem that I put some yellow accents to. I also got a brand new LED trunk emblem that I wrapped in gloss black. And the saddest part of repairing my car is removing my camo wrap. So now that my car is all back to black, it actually looks pretty cool with the yellow calipers. But unfortunately, I'm not going to keep it that way. I've already had the blacked out look in version 2.0 of my car. So I wanted something still black, but kind of new. So what I did was I had a roll of yellow vinyl lying around, so I decided to cut my own decals. Well, here are some clips of me installing the decal and revealing the brand new Flexmobile 7.0. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time.